Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Brevo for building automated marketing funnels. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to Brevo's official website. Locate the sign up button on the home page. Click on the sign up button to create a new account. Fill in the required information, including your email address and password. Once completed, click on the Create Account option. Check your email for a verification link from Brevo. Click the link in your email to verify your account. After verification, return to the Brevo dashboard. Log in using your newly created credentials. Once logged in, look for the Automation tab on the left-hand menu. Click on the Automation tab to access the automation features. Now, select the Create New Workflow button. You will see a variety of templates and options. Choose a template that best fits your marketing needs. After selecting, click on Use this template. The workflow editor will open, allowing you to customize the flow. Begin by adding your first trigger event. Select the trigger that will initiate your automated funnel. Configure the trigger settings according to your preferences. Click Save once you've set your desired trigger. Next, add actions to your workflow by clicking the Add Action button. Choose the actions you want to automate, such as sending emails or adding tags. For each action, ensure you customize the details as necessary. Continue adding triggers and actions until your funnel is complete. Once satisfied with your workflow, click on the Review button. This will allow you to check for any errors or adjustments needed. After reviewing, click the Activate button to start your automation. Your automated marketing funnel is now ready to go. Monitor its performance from the automation dashboard. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.